You missed your rent payment. Your landlord is calling, texting, maybe even threatening you. But can they actually throw you out? Can they change the locks or force you to leave? In this video, I'll explain what landlords can legally do if you don't pay rent in the USA. And just as important, what they cannot do. Let's talk about what happens first. If you miss your rent, most landlords won't react immediately. First, they may send a reminder by call, email, or message. But after a few days, they might send a legal notice. This is often called a pay or quit notice. It means you must either pay the rent or move out, usually within 3 to 5 days. The time depends on the state you live in. This is not yet an eviction. It's the first legal step. It's a warning, giving you a chance to fix the situation. Let's talk about what landlords are legally allowed to do. White heavy checkmark, they can send legal notices. White heavy checkmark, they can charge late fees, but only if your lease says so. White heavy checkmark, they can start an eviction process through the court. White heavy checkmark, they can also take you to small claims court to get unpaid rent. White heavy checkmark, and they can report missed rent to credit agencies. But here's what they cannot do. Crossmark, they cannot change your locks without a court order. Crossmark, they cannot turn off your electricity or water to force you out. Crossmark, they cannot harass you or threaten you. Crossmark, they cannot throw your things out without a legal process. These are called self-help evictions, and they are illegal in most states. You missed your rent. If you don't pay after the notice, the landlord can go to court. This means they file a legal case to evict you. You'll get a paper from the court called a summons. It tells you when to appear in court. If you don't go to court, the landlord usually wins by default. If the judge agrees with the landlord, you'll be given a date to move out. If you don't leave by that date, the landlord can ask the sheriff to remove you. Only a sheriff or law officer can force someone out, not the landlord. Can you stop the eviction? Yes, you can still fix things in many cases. You might be able to pay the rent before the court date. Some states will stop the eviction if you pay on time. You can also apply for rental assistance programs, or you can ask the landlord for a payment plan. If the landlord is being unfair or broke the law, you can tell the court. You can also get help from local tenant rights groups or free legal aid. So even if you're behind on rent, you still have options. Let's quickly go over what we learned. Missing rent does not mean you'll be kicked out right away. Landlords must follow a legal process. They cannot harass you or lock you out. Only a court and sheriff can remove you. You have rights, and you also have time to act. Stay calm, stay informed, and don't ignore legal notices. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy legal content. Have questions about rent, eviction, or housing loss? Drop a comment below, and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and remember, knowledge is your best defense.